That'll do. That looks... Yeah, that'll do. In you go. Yeah. Ooh, listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that sizzly onion. Onion ASMR. Oh, that's the business. That is the business. Hey Google, set a timer for 6 minutes.
Sure, 6 minutes. Starting now.
Now, sound good, sounds good. The good stuff. The best, it's such a good sound. Just like... Right, while that's doing that, I'm going to get out the thingy bob that we're actually going to make this in. It's not round, but it's going to look nicer in this, trust me. It's going to look much nicer in this. Just gonna give it is clean, but it's been in the press, so I'm just going to give it a little rinse. A little rinse with hot water. That water was not as hot as it was. Jason, thank you very much for the bits. And thank you very, very much. Oh, me back and front and sides. Holy moly. Excuse my uncultured self, what is focaccia? No, you're not uncultured at all, don't worry. I am, however, I'm uncultured. It's a flatbread and it is absolutely delicious. You'll see as you go. If you want to see a picture of it, I think there's a photo in the recipe. If you !recipe, it's the second one in the little link. I don't know where I'm going to put this now. I'm going to put it over here. For now. Just for now. I could listen to your accent all day. Ah, Gazaba, you're too nice to me. You're too good. I'm just here talking my words. But, you know, if you like me talking my words, then, you know. Where's Remy? I couldn't get Remy and we couldn't afford his appearance fee, so. Dan, how are you doing? Come in, come in. Aggressive Mango says, I'm interested. I'll be lurking about. I'll hopefully catch the end results. I just really hope it's going to be nice. Because it's a big involved process, but so, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Lunar Blaze, oh my goodness, thank you for giving 5 subs to help me on Twitch and Grey Baby Gravy, Wall Crate, Ink the Red and Geeky Cultures. Lads, can I get some good eggs for Lunar Blaze? Thank you so much, that's very kind of you. You have 3 good. 3 and 4 and 5 good. No, I'll tell you something. Right, they're getting very nice over there. I'm just gonna make sure I have those in for the right time. 8 to 10 minutes, so I'll give them, hey Google, add 2 minutes to my timer.
Done. 2 minutes added to your 6-minute timer.
That's the business.
You've got 5 minutes and 51 seconds to go.
I'm just gonna move this down and start preheating the oven. I believe it's on, on the right temperature. We're good. We're good. Remy's, he's quite the expensive lad, I'll tell you something. It's odd to me that folks are commenting on your accent. I'm so used to other Irish folks. I always forget how we sound to other people as well, like, to tell you the truth. Oh, I think we have a nice accent. I think so. It is always exciting though, like it's happened to me a few times if I just go onto the front page of Twitch and if I have everything on like automatically to, you know, have the audio on, I hear an Irish accent, I'm like, yo! Coven Music, thank you so much for subscribing with your Prime. You're 3 good. Coven's music, sorry. Coven's. I thank you so much, you were 3 good. No do. Oh, they are looking nice now. The garlic could go in